Getting started.
Hey everybody, anybody?
Hey everybody.
We're live. How do I change it?
Down there at the bottom, right there.
Oh, right there. Okay. Are you sure it's live?
It is live.
Oh, what is that? Is it Memorex?
No, it's live.
Hey Jesse. Shawnee, what's up? We're at the state. I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna show y'all what this room is like, and y'all should have been here. Here we go. You don't get to see us. This is Callie.
Hey.
So good to see y'all. Here we go. Hey Shawnee, I'm already out of there amateur doubles, so that's why I'm going to go live.
Versus Elmore and Randall Stelling, table 17. Underhill and Sargent versus Elmore and Stelling, table 17. Alan, Scott, Table 57, and Shannon, and Martin versus
Kevin Shaw.
I had to, like, when he was like, here, it was there. So when he was there, he was like swinging at
doubles, Ryan Hansen, and Scott Kunda versus Chris Dick, and
I'm going to take you over.
Table 58. Hansen,
I can squeeze through. You can't bother them when they're playing. They get angry.
and Remy, Table 58.
Match is over. So now, we're going to go out to the pit. Come on, Callie, let's go to the pits, okay?
Go where?
To the pits, it's called. It's where the bleachers are. Where the finals are played. So out here, they're selling some,
How you doing? Bill about 17th of
this is Rocky Ball from Charlotte, I think, and my friend
Oh man, yes.
Bill
Hello, Bill.
Crawford. You're
Conservative.
live, Bill.
Conservative man.
Behave.
Trump.
Go Trump.
Or Trump.
Oh, you gotta get him.
But Ben Camp, Bill Wallen. Take it, rednecks. Take it, rednecks.
Oh, what's up? Favorite. And so we're going to go show them where the pit is, or the, what it's called, Mr. Stahl, the nicest liberal you'll ever meet. I don't even know if he's a liberal, but he's the nicest young man.
Yeah.
He's a moderate. So he supports our president. That's all you can ask, right? Okay, so this is the other part of the hotel. You can go look up at your matches here on the computers. You can see, let me see if I can get a good picture. You can see the brackets. You can find out when you're up next. And over here is the finals. And this is the registration room in here. So we'll take you in here and show you all the hats. Oh, the pretty girls working. They're all on the same team, can you tell? And look at all the shirts that they have. And I really want some of them hats. And so all of this stuff's for sale. The wraps. Some of the shirts, I guess, they've got.
Good job.
That we're going to get before we leave.
You getting one?
Nope. You can check there. Kennedy, you're live.
What's up, baby? Are we live?
You're live.
Welcome to the
Facebook.
2017 Tornado Foosball Extravaganza with me and Mr. Jim Paris in the house. Let's say hi to Jim, everybody. How you doing tonight, Jimbo?
So this is my friend Kennedy from Ohio, right?
Come below us, Ohio, home of the Buckeyes. Yeah.
Who what? Oh, he's from Tennessee. It's a friend of mine. This is the only table that you can really play on. They don't call you up. We have a few tables over here, number 4,
Amateur,
5,
doubles,
6.
Micah,
But over
McKinnon.
here are the trophies. Ooh, look at that. That's, oh my gosh, I got chills just looking at this. I guess I'll never own one of these. Oh my gosh, look at these. Freaking awesome. Look at this.
Give the man a little bit of sugar and he goes crazy.
Here's the kids. Playing match over here.
What we coming to play?
You can watch it in the bleachers. The bleachers here for big boy seating. There's a singles match going on with Ryan Moore. I can't remember the other guy's name, but Tim Stevens is up there. And they are that's where they play the finals. So we'll walk around to this side. Come here.
Robertson,
Hey.
table 43.
8 months left.
Women's open singles.
So there's a table over here not being played right now. And I'll try to get a match in a minute. But first I want to show you, this is also part of the hotel, which we did this morning. Okay, I got some children playing. But right around the corner you got this swimming pool. And then I won't show you, but there's a hot tub over there. Okay, I'll go closer. There's a hot tub, plus there's a sauna. There's a basketball court over there and a game room. And so I'll take you back in now to the foosball, and we'll try to get some, show you some matches playing. Yep. I didn't want anybody to drop off because I'm showing them the swimming pool. But so yeah, this is really, really big. And that's a really good player playing.
Harry and Charlie.
One of my friends from the mountains, North Carolina.
And Tom Thornton.
Okay, we'll go back to the other room.
Watkins, Sterry, and Belcher versus
Yeah. Now this hall over here is the bar and the restaurant here.
We got 5 more matches. Come on.
Live. There's Bruce Nardone. He's sitting on the couch, acting like he ain't got nothing better to do.
No, because I'm out.
You're out. Oh, he's mad. He's stewing. But he's smiling. You're on you're live. Let's see who else. We go. Still talking politics.
Come on, get a
Still talking politics with a liberal. It ain't gonna happen.
Here it is. The polar deal.
Oh my God.
Opposites.
Polar opposites? You're gay?
The yin and the yang. But together we're
All right. What's up? My good friend Tommy's from Charlotte. Or you're live on Facebook.
I'm live. Oh crap.
Yep. We're going to play in another event we played 2 years ago. We're going to play in another event. So you good luck today. Let's see what's over here. Here's some food area. And here's Tony. There's Tony and Faye. We're going to follow. Tony's the #1 player in the world. And he must be young. And this is the...
I wasn't sure what he was doing. It's like, dude. I'm like saying hi.
And Facebook Live and the movie stars came in. So where'd he go? Is he up? I don't know where he went. Disappeared. Oh man, I got distracted and lost him. But that's Tony. He's a friend of mine. He's a good player. This is, over here you got Tracy McMillan and Gumison. I can't think of Gumison's name, but they play doubles together. They're world champions. There's Tony. He's an awesome player. It's hard. Nice. That's cool, right? In a second, I'll talk to him. I got Your Facebook Live. You want to just say hey?
Hey.
This is Tony. He's got a matchup?
Nope, going to watch.
You going to watch? Okay. Good luck, Tony. See, they're all busy. Oh, see, some people don't care about the Facebook Live. You have to be careful. So I got a face. This is Faye. She's so pretty. Your
Well, am I
Facebook
saying?
Live.
Oh, hi.
Say hey.
Hi.
And you're gonna watch too. Who's up? That y'all gonna go watch? He came
Trevor
running over
and
here.
Ryan, I think.
Okay. Oh yeah. That's Trevor and Ryan. I can't film that because they're filming it. But anyway, see, everyone is so nice. They're all busy.
Gary Sanders to the stage, please. Gary Sanders to the stage.
Children playing.
Gary Sanders to the stage, please.
Whoa,
Gary
whoa,
Sanders to the
This
stage.
is an open table to play on. So, okay, we'll go back to the other room before I end it. Let's see if there's, see Callie's on the couch, on the phone. Okay, we'll come back through here. Callie, I'm going in here. Callie. Can you tell how many is watching? This is my friend over here. You're on Facebook Live. This is my friend Nutran. He's from Canada. Did you win?
Well, we're playing the fifth game. Fifth game.
Oh, I am so sorry. Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck. You're in the middle of them. Walk back through.
Yeah.
These people hit the ball really hard.
No, you were fine.
On Facebook Live, and everybody is nice, so nice.
Taha versus Dylan Marshall, hit on 4 over single. Taha versus Dylan Marshall, hit over 4. Stephen Baltus, Chris Martin versus Steve Duncan and Tom Mosher.
This is a guy named Tommy.
Boston Martin, Duncan and Mosher for 7 Evan Miller, Armando Herrera, and Rory Wiseman versus Tom Miles and Dan Smith, hit number 10. Herrera and Wiseman, Miles and Smith, hit number 10.
Yeah, this Evan. Evan, are you South Carolina or North Carolina? North Carolina.
Tina to the stage. Scott Katina to the stage.
I caught you following. You're the he'd already swam laps and everything. He was proud of that.
No, dead man's me. I mean, I'm
Do
dead in
you
front of
play
him.
him?
I think it's in order.
No, you just play him?
Ready?
Yeah, there's some serious people here. Man, they hit the ball so hard. What are you doing, Eddie?
We're messing around.
Playing 2 people at once?
Yeah.
And this is he's from Chicago. Rick Macias. He's from North Carolina. I'm not sure if I can say my pen.
Let's play. Mama 10.
Got people warming up in between that.
ball game?
Who's winning the Alabama ball game?
I don't know.
Ah! Don't put that on Facebook.
Oh, he's
You're
gonna put it
live.
on Facebook.
I'm what?
You're live.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's what I
Everybody
want
saw
to be.
you acting like a mountain person. I'm kidding. This is the mountain person right here. That's why he's laughing.
Get this walk. Get this walk.
That ain't no
He's just crazy. He's a crazy man. But it's a good crazy.
He drank too much
I
moonshine.
know something. I'm Facebook Live and I think everybody keeps dropping off 4 now. Sean McCurran.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh, it's Michelle and her assistant. Did they see me live and they just had to show themselves?
I think that's what it Oh my God. That's some funny stuff right there.
That's some ham.
That's crazy. Yep. Oh, you gotta get Marty. You gotta get Marty. That's my
Evan's
buddy
father.
right here.
Yep.
I didn't want to do that. Going out to me.
Now that I'm out of every event, I'm gonna have some fun. Carlos! Hey Carlos, what's up, buddy? Sean? Well, they keep dropping off. I love it. I said, look, I was walking, I said, oh, it's our Tony Springer and thing. Let's follow him. He's the #1 in the world, and I followed him. And I had him call.
Yeah.
And then he went to go watch a match. So, anyway. All right, guys. This is what it's like, you know, just to come. And look, Rob Atha, we're live.
What's up?
Rob Atha from England or Great Britain or
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom.
Is he like more important
This
or
is a
something?
beautiful Midori.
Okay.
They came in second in mixed doubles, but I think it would have been different if it was 3 out of 5. I told both of y'all that. See, they agree. See, they agree. They're awesome players and very, very sweet people. I knew him when he was 12 in France, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true, Jim.
I think you were 12.
Maybe 15. But yeah, 12. Sorry.
2003?
No, I was 17.
It was before then. Okay, good to see you, man. All right, this is it. We're going live. Okay. All right, everybody, we got a children's book. Babies. So they do a lot of stuff to keep the kids entertained in between. Anyway, guys, I might come back later if we have some fun. I can't film the matches that are really good going on in there. And, but of course, you know, this is a really awesome thing to come to experience. And so we'll get me and Callie, she's over here finishing up some moonshine. It's called a honey something somebody gave us. And my honey drank all the honey moonshine. We'll have to go find some more.
It's about putting me to sleep.
Yep. We got 5 people, but you know, everybody's tired. It's hot in here. So we'll see y'all later. We'll film some more in a little bit. Later.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.